reason is because Entiasia boy. Yeah. Entiasia. What tia sorry demon you being kasa. Me say walk wasia. And I'm speaking it on the authority of God's word. Yeah. Bit na uku bi fie we ni we na audio we uku bi fie no ma fa we wansam no ma dia ba be si ho na we ye omo topic to me time will be a wonye wo hwe wutumi de obi totankuru mu adwene bi anim. Yeah, it was what Okwasia fasono entiasia bono. When he got to Deuteronomy 32 verse number 21 was say omanya wo me jimino me den kwasia man na twoma so. Let me take the word or mine away and deal with just what the Bible saying. Obi a okwasia no me de kwasia na betwenas. Etinya nyam nwanwa so obi wo ho no mu a utimu so ko ware obi a ne timu odin. Yeah. Yehu ade kwasia twe kwasia so. Yeah. Is here don't men are mayors of an intimame and pointy tree in Injira on one case. Can you display it on television for me? Mede omai enkwasia fu obi ebeyi wo mabufu. Mede omai enkwasia fu obi. I will discipline a nation that is foolish with a foolish nation. Omaya wo mo nkwasia fu no mede nkwasia man ene betwe omas. My heart broke on Saturday, on Friday, when I saw people come in the name of politics to kill somebody's mother. Asiamai for asobra hamekas.